back, and this is Lori Peacock. Welcome to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button. That's always a good thing. We always have some nice information, I think, for people out there. And certainly, if you have any questions, email us, text us, and we'll be happy to do a video in regard to that question as best as we can. Because if you have the question, there's going to be a lot of other people who have the same question as well. And the point is to get some good infomercials out there so that you can be well educated and also ask the right questions with your therapist and fitness body worker or your chiropractor and physician. So we're talking today about the hands. We don't really think about the hands too much until they really start to ache us. And there's a lot of things we can do preventatively. So listen to this short tutorial, and again, contact us with your questions and your concerns, and we'll be happy to do a video regarding that. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.
Any stretches you do should be performed with no pain. You may feel a stretch, and that is all. This stretch helps mobilize the nerves and blood vessels that run through the forearm and into the hand and fingers. When we spend extended periods with our hands and wrists bent, these structures can become stuck and may present with weird symptoms that are hard to identify or pinpoint. If tendons get stuck at the band of tissue in our wrists called the flexor retinaculum, we can lose our ability to fully extend our wrists or open our hands all the way. Moving the fingers also helps to loosen the tissue that makes up the finger joint capsules and the fascia that surrounds everything inside of us. Our finger joint capsules are often overlooked when performing stretches. Like muscles and tendons, they are also soft tissue and can lose their elasticity from things like lack of use, injury, or surgery. Begin this stretch with the arms downward and in front of you. Spread the fingers as far as you can and hold. Then squeeze your hands into fists and spread the fingers again. Perform this cycle 3 times.